This video will show you how to complete the Danielson Student Teaching Binder for both the first and second half of student teaching in TK20. You will receive an email from tk20@wcupa.edu with a link to your student's first half or second half student teaching binder. You will receive one link per student that you supervise. If you supervise a student during the first half and the second half, you will get two links, one during the first and one during the second. Click on the link in the email to begin. You'll be brought to a split screen. You can left click, hold, and drag on the center to shorten or lengthen either side of the screen. The left side of the screen has the students' assignments as well as any of their submissions, and the right side has the rubric that you will need to fill out. To view a student's submission, click on one of the tabs. So for example, here, the Self-Evaluation tab, and scroll down and click on the link to open up the assignment. You can view the student's work in this screen. To open up your rubric, click on the link on the right side of the screen. You'll find instructions at the top. Please complete each of the domains 1 through 4 by clicking on the appropriate radio button for each item. You will see that at the bottom of each domain, there's a space to enter comments. Make sure that you complete all mandatory fields marked with an asterisk. At the bottom of the evaluation, you will see that you have the option to complete or save. Click Save if you need to stop in the middle of filling out the evaluation. When you're fully finished, click Complete. Then, click Submit on the top right of the screen. The second half evaluation will look very similar. Again, student work will appear on the left side of the screen, and your evaluation will appear on the right side of the screen. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at tk20@wcupa.edu or call us at 610-436-2085.